Good Friday, folks. I'm WMAR 2 meteorologist Eric Tiller with Maryland's most accurate forecast, headed off into the weekend with forecast perfection. Once again, blue skies and sunshine everywhere out there, low humidity, comfortable temperatures after starting out on a bit of a chilly note this morning. We need the sweatshirts out there. Temperatures right now in the upper 70s and lower 80s, not bad. For August standards, muggy meter remains down, so all smiles there. And two areas of high pressure, the big bubbles of no trouble, protecting us from any poor weather. Unlike what they're seeing out there in Hawaii, Hurricane Lane has now weakened to a Category 2 storm. Winds at 110 miles per hour, movement north at 5 miles per hour. Going to be a very close call with Honolulu. It may not make landfall, but still going to see some big-time impacts. 15 to 25-foot waves, winds gusting over 70 miles per hour and upwards of 40 inches of rain, which has already been reported on some of the islands there across Hawaii. Around here, none of that on our coastline. Temperatures in the upper 50s again tonight. Another night to open up those windows and enjoy the fresh air. The humidity comes back, though, as we get towards the end of the weekend. A few clouds, very comfortable for the State Fair this evening. Looking pretty good out there. 60 degrees, a few clouds at times, still comfortable. We start out on a comfy note tomorrow, mostly sunny skies in the afternoon. Got some shades on out there. Temperatures in the low to middle 80s. A little bit more cloud cover around during the afternoon as high pressure starts to dissipate off the coast. Hometown highs, upper 70s, Tawnytown over to Glen Egg, as well as Ellicott City tomorrow around 82 degrees. Same thing up across portions of Hartford, as well as Cecil County. Rising sun down in Perry Hall and Edgewood, 77 to 80 degrees. Churchill taking the drive down Easton over to St. Michael's, as well as Oxford in the 80s tomorrow. Feeling pretty good. Beach weather looks great. Just be wary of the crowds. There's probably going to be a lot of people down there along the coastline for excellent conditions, and it gets hotter for everybody as we get towards next week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, highs in the 90s out there. It'll feel more like 100 degrees before storms return for your Thursday and Friday. Me and meteorologist Mike Teller will have an update on this great forecast tonight at 5 and 6. We hope to see you there. Otherwise, have a great and safe weekend ahead.